How to active Prettier format on save configuration. Format on save configuration allows you to format your file once you save the file or save the code inside the file. So let's see how we can activate this configuration in Visual Studio Code. Here is the Visual Studio Code. If I press Ctrl plus comma, I will open the setting. Inside the setting, I need to search for format on save setting here, and you can find the setting. You can deactivate it or activate it. If you want to advance the configuration, just open the JSON file from this icon on the top right, and you can add custom configuration for on the save. For example, you can disable this configuration with markup file. So you will write markup, as you can see here, markdown file editor format on save false. You can do that with you have different options like JavaScript for plain JavaScript, or JavaScript, React, or TypeScript. You have various options to apply your configuration on that file. This is same for other configuration also. So that's it. Thank you.